Real bad girl, ma get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm bossy.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Shake It to the Max, the viral remix between Ghanaian artists Moliy and dancehall superstars Shenseea And Skillibeng has officially debuted on the Billboard Hot 100 at 91, and I want you to realize how big this is. This is a historic entry, and I mean, dancehall is no longer the peripheral influence on pop culture, but central to the success. And I mean, usually we would have other artists helping dancehall music to reach certain major milestone. Now we have Shenseea And Skillibeng, two of our own, and I mean, doing it for another genre. And the song already is a social media hit, you know, with people like Mr. B saying he loves the song, and I mean, and Shake It to the Max is currently #1 on Billboard US Afro Beats song chart. Also reached 53 on Billboard Global 200. So the song is doing major things, and I'm happy for Shenseea And Skillibeng because Shake It to the Max is dragging dancehall into the mainstream spotlight where dancehall deserves to be. And I mean, leave a thought in the comment section. Let me know what you think about all of this. I saw a comment on Instagram saying it's not Shensea's song. She was just featured on it. That is just bad mind talking. The original Shake It to the Max, you know what I mean, was already connecting with the people, but when the remix dropped featuring Skillibeng and Shenseea on it, everything changed. You know what I mean? That changed everything. Dancehall energy was what the song needed, and dancehall energy is what elevate the song to new heights and completing the takeover. Dancehall presence on the Billboard Hot 100 has been scarce over the last decade or so, you know what I mean, often diluted through pop collaborations or remixes aimed at, you know, making the sound more appealing to the American ears. While iconic artists like Sean Paul and Shaggy and them, man, they have had success, you know, with everything, the genre haven't really been thriving or moving in its raw through farm and the charts, you know what I mean. So even massive hits like Oh Me Cheerleader owed its success to more a tropical pop aesthetic rather than true dancehall identity. And all those songs like Dre Controller and Rihanna Work paid homage to dancehall. They never really featured a dancehall artist, and for me personally, that's a recurring frustration for, you know, probably you the fans just the same. But thanks to Moliy, Shake It to the Max, we are breaking that cycle, and it's authentic, intentional music led by Jamaicans, Skillibeng and Shenseea, and this reflects the new age of dancehall in 2025. Dancehall isn't asking to be accepted; it's commanding its attention alongside top genres like Afrobeats and hip hop and all the other global, you know, forces that VybzKartel selling out stadium and arena and all of these other things. Yes, we love to see it, or you know, where dancehall is right now. So somebody let me know, is Shenseea And Skillibeng the new Vybz Kartel and Spice of this generation? I feel so. Let me know how you feel. It's not just about star power. It's about the chemistry that Skillibeng and Shenseea have. It's about what they represent in post Kartel and Spice era. You know, the boldness, the versatility, and the evolution, and they're helping dancehall to go to new heights like what we're seeing now. And this is not their first collaboration, but it's their biggest so far, and I love the chemistry between Shenseea and Skillibeng. It's a really good chemistry, and I hope them stick together and give us more music. Now, where Spice and Vybz Kartel gave us the gritty, raw and filtered dancehall anthems, Skillibeng and Shenseea are bringing the same DNA, but you know, with a little twist to it. You see me? So big up Moliy. She made all of this possible, and I mean, her decision to bring Shenseea And Skillibeng onto the remix was, trust me, a smart move. And what does this mean for, you know, dancehall and everything? To me, it means possibility. It means that African and Caribbean artists don't have to water down their sound, and I mean, to reach mainstream platforms. It means that the fans are hungry and ready for authenticity, you know what I mean, for accents, for patois, you know what I mean, for our sound to be on those major platforms without when after changes. So the people who used to gatekeep, them not in control anymore, you know what I mean. The people have spoken streams and everything, you know what I mean. The 1.7 million videos made on TikTok, the people have spoken, and the people them want these authentic, real music from us Jamaicans. Them no want with a water down the sound. So that's why I have to big up artists like Massacre, you know what I mean, because Massacre has always kept his real authentic sound. So even when Massacre signed to Def Jam, Massacre did not try to do anything else. So that's why when Massacre dropped the song the other day, Mute, and him lock the business without the suit, my interpretation of that is Massacre come lock the business with him real authentic self, you know what I mean. Him not have to change up or do too much where appearance and these things are concerned. Him come and give us the real authentic sound, which is the real authentic dancehall and all that. And even though Skillibeng has been, you know what I mean, having major success, where Skillibeng, you know, the fusion between dancehall and trap and some other mixes of rap and, you know, them type of music, the Skillibeng has really been successful with stuff like that. You know, the fact still remains that people need, or this is the time where we need to go back to the drawing board and look at what we are doing as dancehall artists. Because remember, you know, VybzKartel did Fever that sold silver in the UK and gold in America. And he said, XO, my love is very special if you want it. So that is English, right? But now we have Shenseea and Skillibeng. They made that song not with the intention to say that they are going to try to appeal to America or try to appeal to anybody. They made that song knowing that they're just bringing the real dancehall flavor to the song, and the dancehall flavor alone put the song on Billboard Hot 191 on the charts, and we can probably expect it to climb even further. You know what I mean? So again, I'm really happy for Skillibeng and Shenseea, and dancehall is where it needs to be. So enough of this. Even though we give credit to Sean Paul and Shaggy, enough of this Sean Paul and Shaggy. We have other dancehall artists that are doing it, you know what I mean, and doing it for themselves. Because remember, as I said, it was the remix of the song, right? The original song on its own was a good song. Was a good song. Nobody can. What was a good song? It was already a viral song, but it wasn't a big song. So now you have, and also remember, there are other remixes of Shake It to the Max. You have Spanish remixes with other big Spanish artists, and again, those remixes did not go anywhere. The dancehall remix is what took this song to that level, and almost like it's the first time we are seeing dancehall artists bringing the music higher. We have to big up Shenseea and Skillibeng. Yeah, man, them a do it. Them a do it, man. Yes, Shenseea and Skillibeng, the new Vybz Kartel and Spice. I love to see it. And as I say, Shenseea and Skillibeng need to do more songs. And them have a new song coming to, you know, Tip with Asian. Gala wine pan the tip of the yo, Skillibeng tough, you know. Yes, so Shenseea jump on that song there, and just the mere fact say again, the remix that already sound good without Shenseea, but when Shenseea go up on the song, you know, it got elevated, because you know the chemistry between Shenseea and Skillibeng, and everybody love to see them together. No, you see me. So again, leave a thoughts in the comment section. That was my 2 cents. Yeah, Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed. That is it.